Here's a little something you might find entertaining. How about I put some stuff under the microscope and see if you can identify exactly what it is I've put under there. This one's probably too easy. I bet you've seen this one before. What do you think it is? All splotchy. If you said a black and white manual page, you're right on the money. Let's see. Oh, this one's particularly nasty. Looks like fish eggs. Little shiny boogers or something. Surprisingly enough, it's what laser printer paper looks like. Here's some colorful splotches, almost like a butterfly wing or something. Nah, just full color glossy coupons. Oh, it looks like stained glass or some sort of abstract art. Look at those things. Well, you probably have looked at them before, if you have a cell phone. Ugh, it's a little slimy looking. Got some geometry going on. The kind of geometry that feels textured when you touch it. Almost looks like honey. Some kind of plastic? Sorta. It's plastic smeared all over wood. It's what varnish. Boy, check out those rocky canyons. Some crazy alien landscape going on there. What is this massive structure? Why, it's the date on a dime. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-da. So what do you think? How many of them did you get right? And let me know if you wanted me to do another set of these in the future. Good night, folks.